Struggling to connect your X account? Learn the exact steps to link it in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each step, from your profile to verification. Let's start with the first step. To connect your X account to Whop, you'll start by heading over to your profile settings. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, navigate to the Connected Accounts section. Click on the Add button to link a new account. Enter your X username and then click Add. Finally, verify your account to complete the connection. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.